So what we are going to discuss, मैं आपको एक आइडिया देता हूँ कि हम सॉल्व क्या करने वाले हैं. Then you will get the point from that block. Let's say we have boxes. uh, we have boxes. Let's say this is one box and this is another box. Okay, let's say this box have some height and width. Okay, let's say this boxes have the height and width. What we can call it? Okay, let me go with the simple. So this have some this length and this height. Suppose this is we have. So for every box, this is a box 1, this is a box 2, and this is a box 3. Okay, if you think all this thing is a box at least. Okay, okay, this is a box. Let's say it's a rectangle and like that. And our job is to find out the area. Let's say just for basic understanding. Let's say. So if you think, if you want to go with the simple approach. Simple approach means what, dear? Like simple programming language में जाओगे. So to find out the area of this block, what you will do, you will take this length and sorry, you will take this one and you will take this height. Okay, just I am going with a simple one. So you have to declare lots of variable. Like for this box, you have to declare two variable, and for this box again you have to declare two variable. Why? Because you have to store this value and you have to store this value. What is the height and what is the length, you can call it. Similarly for this box you have to declare two variable. Okay, let's say it's a 2, it's a 3, just for simple example. So for box 1, simple coding अगर लिखोगे तब कैसे लिखोगे? You will declare one variable, uh, let's call it something called b, let's call 3 centimeter. You declare one more variable, let's call it h, and let's call it 4. And then what you will do, you have to declare one more variable int answer, where you will do 3 into like b into h, and this is going to happen only for the box 1. What you will do about the box 2? Box 2 का area calculate करना है. Then what you will do, you will write again a code, but you cannot use this variable again. Okay, you have to declare another variable, let's call b2, and then you will store some कि क्या देना है उसको, क्या उसका height length जो भी है. And again, so how many for each two variable तो उसको देना ही पड़ेगा, और एक variable आपको और declare करना पड़ेगा to store the answer. And this is not good idea basically. So what we can do, see, everything is a box, and they have the common properties, like they have height and they have width. They have height, and they have width. This is common in all boxes. So what we can do, we can solve this problem using class and object. Okay, simple idea. See, we can create table. See, it's like that. And we have, let's say we have three variable. One is what is the height of that box, and what is the width of that box, and हमें आंसर क्या मिल रहा है. Okay, so suppose this is a box 1. So if you know the box 1 की height, just put height and you will get the answer. If you have box 2, just do the simple idea, just give the height, I will give the answer. So this is going to be your class, and this class can, like, it can create lots of object. They like different, जितने box लाओ, just give me the height and width, I can calculate the area of that box basically. Okay, so same thing we have in this block. Okay, same thing we have in this block. So what we do, how we are going to declare at the end, let me come to the next point. So our task is to find out the area. I think that is not our task. Okay, हम लोगों को वैल्यूम पता करना है. Okay, we will come to this point. It will be better if I can open this thing in the editor. Okay, so that I can do some modification also. Okay, so let me choose this one. Okay, now let me explain the code part first, then we will come to the point. And as we know that Programming will always start with the main. It will always start with the main. Okay, so don't read anything. Okay, just forget everything. We have to create a class, because box is a class, and this box is a one class, and this class have the common property. Like कोई भी box है, every box have the common property. That is what is every box have the length, every box have the breadth, and they have height. Okay, this is a common property. So this line, this complete thing, you can think as a, this created a class, and this class had this three column, you can think. And now as a developer, what you can do, you can create lots of object, and for each object you can give the value. We will come to those points. Just understand, if you think this is the name of the class, you can give any name. This is the name of the class, this is the name of the class. You will do modification also, don't worry. And this variable, like we created, like think like this, we created a class, and class name is box. You can give any name, and this class have three properties or three data. One is length, one is breadth, and one is height. And whatever the data you are going to put here, I can access it directly, because the type जो access modifier है, that is a public. Like anyone can use the value of length. Like I can read the value, you can think like that. Okay, so this is not protected. Like, okay, I can read it. So let me do some modification so that you can understand, and you can create lots of classes. Okay, let me create one more class just for basic. So I have to write the keyword class, and then I have to give the name. So I'm going to give the name for test. Test is a class, let's say. And here I'm going to create a simple let's say we have a student data, okay, where we have to store the value, something like that. Okay, so that जो भी हम वेरिएबल उसके अंदर होगा, that is going to be the public. अगर मैं उसको public लिखूंगा, then I have to write public. If you want to write private, if you want to make private, just write the private. Okay, and if you want to make it protected, you can make it protected. ओके जब भी आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा रहेगा, दे विल मेंशन इट कि जो आप वेरिएबल बनाने वाले हो क्लास में, वो पब्लिक होगा, प्राइवेट होगा, या प्रोटेक्टेड होगा. देन बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू कैन चेंज दिस थिंग. Okay, so our goal is to make it public. So here public, I'm going to declare some of the variable. Let's say there's a one int variable. I'm going to just make it simple. Okay, int let's call it, what is the age. And remember one thing, I'm not initializing the value, I'm just declaring the variable. Okay, initialization मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ओके दैट मीन्स व्हाट, वो मेमोरी में स्पेस नहीं ले रहा है. मेमोरी में स्पेस कब लेगा, जब कोड रन होगा. ओके बाकी ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच मेन मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं, वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करते हैं और उसको वैल्यू देते हैं. यहाँ पे हम वैल्यू नहीं दे रहे. तो लेट मी डू वन थिंग कॉल्ड, लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड. मैं एक सैलरी भी स्टोर करने वाला हूँ, उसका एज. ओके इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग इट टेस्ट, लेट मी मेक इट टीचर, जो हमने एग्जाम्पल दिया. एंड लेट्स से सॉरी, लेट मी मेक इट सैलरी. Okay, this is salary. Let's say we have, okay, if you want to make it private, you can make it private also. Okay, salary also. Let's say you have some other thing also. What you can think, subject, and let's store 50. Okay, this is something. Okay, and suppose there is a method also. Method भी हो सकते हैं उसके अंदर. So if you are going to create the method, let's say my method is public, anyone can use this method. And let's say I'm going to declare one variable called int, and that is a salary method. I'm just making it very simple. What he is doing, he is taking salary, and he is doing some code actually. Sorry, he is doing some operation. Let's say सैलरी, लेट्स से कि एक्सपीरियंस भी ले रहा है, इंट कि टीचर कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू कैन राइट द कोड कि इफ एक्सपीरियंस इज greater than 2 year, then what will be the salary? You can define your method, your logic. Okay, I'm just making it. Okay, I'm just making it, I'm just doing it. I'm going to change this salary basically. I'm going to do is the salary is equal to, I'm going to make it. Okay, okay, so let me declare one more variable also where I can store the value of कि उसकी सैलरी क्या होगी, अपडेटेड सैलरी क्या होगी. लेट्स कॉल इट सैल. सैल में मैं सैल को डिक्लेयर करते हैं, इंट नाम का एक सैलरी है, सैलरी, एंड लेट मी मेक इट 0. ओके, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई आई विल टेल. I have to declare one more variable called int updated salary. Yeah, please ask, please ask. Then what I'm doing, if experience is greater than आपने कल पेपर देखा रहेगा तो ऑलमोस्ट 10 मार्क्स के लिए 15 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो मिनिमम 10 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन तो आपको करने ही पड़ जाएंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि 2 डिफरेंट जगह क्वेश्चन वो पूछे हुए थे, तो आपको इतने क्वेश्चन करने पड़ जाएंगे. एंड सी, जितना हार्ड आपको यहाँ पे लिखने में होगा कोड, उतना हार्ड पेपर में लिखने में नहीं होगा. ओके, सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड यू कैन राइट. ओके, बिकॉज सिंटेक्स एरर वहाँ पे कोई चेक नहीं करेगा आपका, बहुत खड़ूस टीचर रहेगा, देन ही इज गोइंग टू चेक. ओके, अदरवाइज पेपर अभी हम और डिस्कस करेंगे, इस वीकेंड पे भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है. सो डोंट वरी, हम लोग मोस्टली सब चीज़ करेंगे. सो अपडेटेड सैलरी, what we will do, let's say it's a 0 initially, and then what we are doing कि जो सैलरी आपकी पहले थी I am taking and I am going to multiply it 0.2, यानी 0.2 यानी 20% आपको ज़्यादा मिलेगा एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर. दिस इज सिंपल मेथडोलॉजी विच आई एम यूजिंग. ओके, नथिंग एल्स, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. स्टार यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन का काम कर रहा है. ओके, एंड सी देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस. लाइक नॉर्मल में हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ते हैं ना, बॉडमॉस रूल जो भी होता है, तो पहले ये ब्रैकेट यूज होगा एंड देन वॉट एवर रिजल्ट यू विल गेट, यू विल डू विद द अपडेटेड सैलरी. ओके, सो this is again a wrong strategy. Okay, so let me put here, this is wrong actually. Let me put return. So if experience is greater than 2, then return this salary. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this thing. So this is simple code actually. I'm using my brain. Okay, I'm not prepared anything कि मैंने पहले से प्री प्लान किया. I'm just thinking randomly and I'm just putting it. And you can go with some more if else condition. Okay, if salary is something different, if experience is less than 2, then what is going to be salary? Just return the salary, nothing else. उसको सैलरी में कोई ज़्यादा सैलरी करके मत दो. That's the idea. You can think like that. That's a simple idea. So this is just a blueprint. अभी तक इस क्लास को आपने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया. This is just a blueprint, and this class have 2 things. Okay, like we discussed this thing. Every class have 2 things. One is data, and other is a method. Every class have 2 things. So you can think like this. We created a table basically, and this is a table name is a teacher, and this table have 3 information: what is the age, what is the salary, and what subject he teach. Okay, and now how we can access this thing? Like access means what? We need to store the information of teacher into this table. So how we can access? We have to create object basically. We have to create object. Object is what? Teacher. Suppose there is a T1 teacher. एक टीचर है, दूसरा टीचर है. दिस इज बेसिकली व्हाट ऑब्जेक्ट, and this object is created for what reference? To refer this teacher table basically, and he will store the information in this table. Okay, so if you are not getting, so how we can create the how okay, just a minute, how we can create the object? Very simple. Suppose this is a class which we have created, and this class have this three variable. Okay, so from the main method, everything is going to happen from the main method. What we are doing, this is a name of the class. This is exactly, so if you want to create object of that class, like suppose करो teacher T1 है, उसको आपको teacher table में store करना है, तो teacher नाम का जो class आपने बनाया है वो देखो आपने पहले यहाँ पे लिखा है. Then you can give any name here. This is called name of the object. Okay, this is name of the object. तो आपने क्या किया, यू दिस इज समथिंग कॉल्ड यू क्रिएटेड द ऑब्जेक्ट, यू क्रिएटेड टू ऑब्जेक्ट. तो मान लो एक ऑब्जेक्ट 1 है, तो एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट के पास लेंथ है, ब्रेड्थ है एंड विड्थ है. तो आपने क्या किया, तीन वैल्यू दी, तो ये तीनों वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिकली जाएगी कहाँ पे, ऑटोमेटिकली लेट मी ये हम टीचर क्लास बंद कर देता हूँ मैं. ओके, टीचर क्लास मैंने बंद कर दिया. सो ऑटोमेटिकली हाइट विड्थ, सो थिंक लाइक दैट. सो यू क्रिएटेड बॉक्स 1, ये आपने एक ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट किया, एंड दिस ऑब्जेक्ट हैव थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज. वन इज हाइट 5.0, अदर इज लेंथ दैट इज 6.0, and other is breadth that is 7.0. this is created. and similarly box 2 भी आपने किया, box 2, and box 2 में भी आपने दिया 10.0, 12.0 and 13.0. so this is a way by which you are, see you have only this three variable. ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक बॉक्स के लिए आपने अलग अलग वैल्यू डिक्लेयर किया, अलग अलग वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया, नहीं, आपने सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट किया. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे क्रिएट करने का, क्लास, जिस क्लास का आपको ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है उसका नाम लिखना है आपको, एंड देन नेम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट you can create here, and then to give the value for this object. This is box 1, so every box have this three property. So how to give this three property, like you want to access this one, so what we are doing, name of the object dot then this properties. so this properties, like you have to remember this thing. okay, like here we have height first, it any order में तुम नाम दे सकते हो. okay, हमने ये नाम दे दिया. now every box के पास अभी सारा डेटा अवेलेबल है. okay, like box 1 भी है हमारे पास, और box 2 भी है. now let's rough this part. okay, so we हमने वैल्यू को असाइन कर दिया. okay, and now what we can do, इस बॉक्स का मुझे वैल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है. वैल्यूम कैलकुलेट करने का मतलब क्या होगा, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस थ्री वैल्यू. what we are doing, we are just taking the value of height, length and breadth, and we are just multiplying this value, and we are storing in another variable that is called value. and inside this value we got the answer, and we print that value. and same thing we did with the second box also. so suppose करो और भी बॉक्स आते हैं आपको, तो आपको वेरिएबल बार बार क्रिएट नहीं करना होगा, यू हैव टू जस्ट क्रिएट द ऑब्जेक्ट. सपोज करो और भी बॉक्स आपको देने हैं, ठीक है, you can do lots of experiment here. so I am going to create one more box. so first I will give the किस क्लास के लिए मुझे ऑब्जेक्ट, मुझे बॉक्स क्लास के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना, तो I am going to give any name, let's call my box. so this is a object, and for this object I have to give the value. okay, I am assigning the value. okay, so what I'm going to do, I have created one more box and उसका मुझे वैल्यूम निकालना है. what I'm going to do, I'm doing like my box, that is the object, and then I'm doing dot, and then I have to give the, for this box I'm going to give three value, that is a what will be the length, you have to give, like let's say 5.0. and okay, you can just copy this code and just paste 3 times and just change the value, sorry, just change the variable name, like let me take breadth and let me take the height. okay, so automatically for my box you can easily calculate the value. and what you have to do, you have to just print the value. Okay, value, you have to see, just copy this code, you can easily understand. Okay, you can easily understand. So let me just change this line, so you can replace that line with this one. So this is length, this is breadth, sorry, control Z, copy, and let me copy this line. Okay, once you got this thing, and now this value is what for next box, तो ही दूसरा box होगा उसका होगा, ठीक है. So you can print that line. Just let me copy it, let me take that and let me copy it. So let me say that this is a value for my box, and if you save it, okay, I'm not going to save because that is we don't require. Okay, let me execute that code. Okay, there is some error, and that is obvious because of my mistakes. Let me read it. Where is mistake? Okay, for this thing, okay, I forget to semicolon. Okay, and now if we execute the code, again some error. Okay, not previous declaration double teacher. Okay, acha, double teacher, we declared this method. Let me remove this part, otherwise this will create issues. Because okay, so you can observe for my box what is the value. It's a 125. Okay, it's very simple because we have given this three value. एंड इफ यू हैव सपोज करो 10 और बॉक्सेस आ जाए, उसका भी तुम वैल्यूम क्रिएट कर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. यू हैव टू जस्ट चेंज दिस थिंग, लाइक यू हैव टू फर्स्ट क्रिएट द ऑब्जेक्ट. फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to create the object. For that object assign the value and do calculation. That simple. Okay, just think, this is a simple idea which we can understand. And if you want to access this method, sorry, where is the method? In main method. Okay, हमने टीचर बनाया था. Okay, यहाँ पे नहीं है. Even if you want to create any method here, you can do that things also. Method भी बना सकते हो यहाँ पे, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. But that is okay, इतना समझना, that is okay. So ये जो यहाँ पर है, that is simple idea. Okay, so you can go and you can refer this thing, you will get better idea. Okay, so just give me a sec, I will explain this box also. This is also important. आज के बाद ऑलमोस्ट वी कैन से 80 और 90% वी आर डन. 10% चीज़ें लाइक ऑपरेटर, ओवरलोडिंग वगैरह कॉन्सेप्ट रह जाएंगे, जो कल मैं बता दूंगा आपको. यहाँ तक समझा सबको? सी, वो जो कोड दिया है उसके जैसा सर्कल का कोड है, ठीक है. सर्कल का आपको निकालना है, ठीक है. सेम 2014 में जो क्वेश्चन आया था. सी, सो जस्ट डोंट रीड एनीथिंग. ओके, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. ये क्वेश्चन आपको सर्कल पे अगर सॉल्व करना है तो सपोज करो देयर इज सर्कल C1, देयर इज सर्कल C2, देयर इज सर्कल C3, and all this thing is a common because everyone required what? Every circle required only radius and 3.14, that is a constant. So we can create one class about circle. Think like that. अगर सर्कल का क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करना है, so let me create one class circle, and we know that this circle के पास दो चीजें रहेंगी, and that variable is going to be the public, so I'm going to make it public, and that is going to be the only radius, because कोई भी सर्कल हो उसके पास सिर्फ क्या होगा? रेडियस होगा. Okay, so this is a class which we have created. Okay, and from the main method, so let me just avoid this part. What we can do, okay, first we have to see, because suppose कर हमारे पास सर्कल C1 है, हमारे पास सर्कल C2 है, हमारे पास सर्कल C3, हमारे पास 3 सर्कल है. कोई भी सर्कल हो, कॉमन क्या उनके पास? कॉमन है रेडियस. सबके पास क्या होगा? रेडियस होगा. So we need to calculate it. So for every circle we are not going to create 3 different radius. we are going to use this class. Okay, and what we will do, we will create a object for that class. So how to create the object? To create the object, name of the class, and then object name. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट इज किस क्लास के लिए आप ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है? सर्कल क्लास के लिए बनाने वाले हो. ठीक है, आई एम मेकिंग सर्कल. ओके, it's always good practice if you can give the name in caps. Okay, there is no certain rules, but as a programmer that is good. Let's call C1. Okay, and now what we are going to do, let's for C1 I'm going to give radius. Okay, that spelling, it should be same as this one. Okay, you cannot make mistakes. And I'm going to, let's call 3. Okay, this is the radius. Okay, I think this is a double. Okay, double, then give 3.0 or 3.2 जो भी आपको देना है. And then I'm going to declare one variable called int answer, where I will store answer. Let's call 0 फिलहाल के लिए. Then what I will do, I will take answer. Okay, and I will do 3.14 multiplication with this value. Okay, and now you can print the value. So just copy this line. This will save your time. Okay, so let me call it area of C1. Okay, and just I am posting the answer here. Okay, so everything looks good. Let me execute. So some error is there, which line expected. Okay, where we make mistakes. Okay, we have. Okay, here it's bad programming languages, I think. So you can, what is circle का area is a 3, sorry 9. Okay, so if you want to, if you have one more circle, उसका वापस से निकालना है, तो what you have to do, you have to create one more object for that class actually. So I created one more object. Let's call, there is a circle C2. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just copy this code and change for the C2. Okay, just replace this C2 because हमने C2 के नाम से रेफरेंस बनाया. Give any other value 6 and everything looks same. Just copy this line and paste here and do here, do the C2. Don't do it again and again because already you have declared this variable. If possible, declare it here. Okay, or here. And now if you do execution, you will get the next one. Okay, so that simple idea. So this question जो भी मैंने आपको solve करके दिया, वो एक partial solution है for your board paper. Okay, where we have to find out the area of circle using class and object concept. Okay, that simple idea we can think. Okay, so what we are going to do, at least we got the idea. So you can take this example and you can play around with this thing. What I will do, I'm going to share this compile. So let me share this block with you. I'm not going to explain this thing today because that is going to take at least 1 hour. So those things we will discuss tomorrow. So let me share this thing with you. So मैंने लिंक आपको दिए हैं. Just make sure if you have time, please go with those things.